Why do 20% of the world's oxygen come from the Amazon rainforest? Let's find out. The Amazon rainforest is a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to over 400 billion trees and countless species of plants and animals. It's a vital carbon sink, absorbing tons of CO2 and keeping our climate stable. Plus, it produces 20% of the world's oxygen. Imagine every fifth breath you take comes from this incredible place. But deforestation threatens it all. We need to protect the Amazon to keep our planet healthy and thriving. So the next time you hear Amazon, think beyond just online shopping. Think of our beautiful, life-giving rainforest.